Okay, so we are now in lesson 35. So another set of brief forms. Okay, so we will start from when. Okay, when is represented by en, where er, send, sen, after, aft, could, kd, should, ish, d, and combination of full blend of nd from fm, street, str. Okay, we will try to write it down. Okay, so when, en, where, er, send, sen, after, aft, could, kd, should, ish, d, okay, and full blend of nd from fm, street, str, in the combination of r and d. Okay, so let us compare the assure and then the assured. Okay, assure is written as a-ish, o-o-r. Assured, a-ish, o-o-r-d. So rd, it is written as upward angle curve to finish the sound of d. Okay? Next, hired, h, long I, r, d. Insured, n-ish, o-o-r-d. Toward, t-o-r-d. Guard, g-a-r-d. Guarded, g-a-r-d-d. Record, r-e-k-o-r-d. Hardest, h-a-r-d-e-s-t. Heard, h-e-r-d. Okay, let us try to write the word assure and then the assured. Okay, assure, a-ish, o-o-r. Assured, a-ish, o-o-r-d. LD. Okay, so same angle. So, combination of LD is written as an upward turn to finish the sound of D. Okay, compare male and mailed. Male, M-A-L. Mailed, M-A-L-D. Okay, old, O-L-D. Sold, S-O-L-D. Failed, F-A-L-D. Field, F-E-L-D. Told, T-O-L-D. Build, B-E-L-D. Builder, B-E-L-D-R. Folded, F-O-L-D-D. Okay, please observe the word between the failed and then the field. Failed is big circle because it is sound of A. Field is a tiny circle because it is sound of E. Okay, so let us try to write the combination of male and then the mailed. Okay, for male, M-A-L, Mailed, M-A-L-D.